Hello, hello, hello. If you're an aspiring music producer and want to learn how to make music, mixing, production, blah, 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 I found a really good tip, which I think is essential. It's from Alex Rome. 5 ways to become a speed learner at music production. And just jumping to point number 4.
Next method on this list is really important, especially if you have a full-time job and don't have
I personally am working a full-time job. I've got family and time is very rare. Time is not in abundance.
abundance of time to practice music production. And that
I do not have an abundance of time to practice music production.
is to open the DAW daily. So I have a lot of students with full-time jobs, and this one always works. Don't wait until your off days to open the DAW and make music all day. This is a great way to feel
We want to build the habit of opening the door every day, even if you feel completely overwhelmed. Just open it up, play around for 5 minutes.
like you're starting over every time you open the DAW. Going too many days without opening the DAW in between the days that you are opening the DAW is way too inefficient, and you're just going to feel brand new every time you open the DAW again. Instead,
Everyone's situation is different. Even when you have a family and a full-time job, even if you attempt to try and open up the door every single day, there's going to be some days where you're just not able to make it, and that's okay. One thing I learned is it's better to just do 5 or 10 minutes than to wait for that opportunity where you think you have 3 hours. You learn a lot if you just limit yourself to say half an hour and just do as much as you can in half an hour.
open the DAW daily, even if it's just for 10 to 20 minutes on your busier days and a couple of hours on your not so busy days. This type of consistency will keep music production fresh in your head and it'll actually start benefiting you. And this will help you start generating ideas more quickly, and it will force you to learn how to be creative even when you have a lot of other things going on.
It's not the easiest thing learning music production when you've got all these responsibilities. But just do a little bit every day at the least. Some days you might get lucky and get a whole hour to practice on, like maybe 2 hours, which is better than nothing.